Hey guys, welcome to GearBest. Today, very unexpected, we are going to do two things unboxing with Beelink. Because the other day we were just having the afternoon break and my college asked me, hey, did you know that there is a really awesome TV box just on GearBest? And it was like, hey, it's a TV box, was excited about it. And he said, it's really high-end and it costs about $300. Oh my God, $300. Well, I mean, to me, a TV box should be costing about $30 to $50, and that's the range. And I was just surprised. I asked him about the details. Just to kill my curiosity, we asked for the sample and we're going to do the unboxing. The factory told us there is a new product releasing out, and this is a mini PC over here. So instead of one, why don't we just double the surprisings, right? So we're going to do the TV box first and then the mini PC. So I'm going to put it on the side. Okay, so this is a TV box I was told, and as a Beelink new series, it's supposed to have a skeleton on the surface, which over here you couldn't see that. It's a very classic thing. Other than down here, it says DTS, Listen, and Dolby Audio. Seriously, this is the very fundamental thing if you want to set up a home cinema. And especially during the lockdown time, you're staying home and work from home, you want to enjoy more time with your family and you want to build up the quality time. So this is something that you would consider, or maybe it's out of your budget. So let's see the overall side. It just looked like a Beats studio headphone to me, very classic black and white, with nothing really on the side. But here it says GS Storage Series. Well, it's not something that deserves $300. Okay, we are going to read all the numbers with you guys over here a little bit. The CPU, if you're familiar with a TV box, this is definitely something that operates fast and give you the extreme experience, or something similar, because we are going to do another test after the short unboxing. And the display support 4K videos for sure. Otherwise, why am I getting this? And the memory 4G and storage 64. And the 64 is not what I'm expecting. And here is a surprising part with this TV box, which I'm going to tell you guys later. And language, multiple language, fine, whatever. And the network support pretty much all the necessary networks. Good thing is about if you're looking at the bottom of ports, it support all different kind of ports. It's like the old DVD box that you from your old memory, well, from your childhood, or the computers or the TVs that you can get connected with. So this really supports more ports than just the normal ones. If you do have one TV box at home, just look at the ports. And adapter, nothing to say. And those QR scanners, either website or the videos to show you how to use a TV box. If you are getting the first one, maybe it's a little bit too much. Okay, I'm a little bit excited because I haven't recorded any unboxing yet. They told me better not to ruin the box. I guess my coworkers are just such a huge fan with this product. Okay, and the button here. Oh, that's the only side. We're going to button it here. Okay, I'm a little bit surprised. So looking at this, I mean, just by looking at this, it's definitely costing you more than just the normal $50 TV box. And foam. Oh my God. So look at all the things. It just make you happy thinking about this. Gonna make your day either inside or outside with your family, or alone playing videos or just watching movies. And apparently it comes the instruction book telling you what, and it's over here. And another one is called installation. So telling you how to set it up and showing you all the surface that you need to go through with. There we go. And I believe these are maintenance cards. Well, they better just support your for a little bit longer time. And here, okay, we're going to show you guys. Here it says Wi-Fi and remote. and the power button in the cord. Let's see what's inside there. Okay, so oh, what is this? Those are I guess those are just screws and supports that you can hang it up somewhere or just fix it with places without large movement. And very typical Beelink remote, nothing to say about that. And the cord, okay, this is HDMI cord, probably 1 meter long because it's not really that big. And okay, adapter, nothing more to say about it. Here we have SD card. Okay, here it's empty now, and we can lift it up. There we go. So this baby is costing you that much money and making my friend very excited. So overall, this is metal, which is good for the heat. So, and this is kind of see-through. You probably wouldn't be able to see, but the lights just go through that, and we are going to unbox it. Oops. Oh, okay. So even though I hope you guys heard a scratch, but even though I did that, there is nothing really on here. So I guess the metal just could be ruined, and it's still fine. And looking at this, it's a very cool surface, right? With the very light green and the red button here. And I guess you guys already know everything over here, the USB connector and the DTS listener and Dolby audio. And over here, what says? Thank you for choosing. Sure. And we can definitely get rid of the tag. Okay. Then we are looking at the perfect screen, and just imagine this sitting up in your, oh, did you hear that? Okay. Just imagine this sitting up in your living room. Then definitely it could be something, and you can put something really cool, like a cool speaker on the side, or this one can support your speaker as well. And we're going to put it back, and Beelink with the GS logo here, and the heat. And we're going to see. So this is the speaker side, and over here we are going to look at all this. The DC, AV, and HDMI. We can take a close look at this. This is about the unboxing part, and the surprising thing that my coworker told me was this, you can upgrade it up to 32 TB. And what does that mean? With 32 TB, I used to watch Friends a lot when I was in college, and I don't have access to it. Just think about this. So if I still had the access to the Friends TV show, and I try to download it, I probably can save all the TV show which I want to watch my entire life. Or just think about this, gonna save quite a number of 4K videos in here, and this can be a very storage room for your family. You can save all the pictures of our kids and the sweet memories with our partner, and when you are getting old, you can still watch this, and it's something that you will never lose. And I was doing this, and I realized there are pads underneath here to prevent it from hitting the ground or hitting your table, and it's a mutual protection. This has a huge storage room, and it just supports all the different cords, and we are going to show you the system inside.
I tell people my sister moved out west. You're a science teacher. Your husband, he renovates houses. You're thinking about moving, but you're gonna wait until the interest rates go down.
That's not my story.
But now we are going to move on over to the mini PC over there. Okay, now we are moving over to this mini PC, and this is costing you somewhere between $679 to $699. I believe it's